Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, yeah, what can I say about yesterday? A proper rejection bar. That is a pin bar, and it is off structure as well. So the structure is pretty much right here where I've got my level, which is 26,134. You can see used as resistance, used as resistance, used as resistance, not really used as support yet, except for yesterday. Okay, so the interesting thing at the moment, just wanted to start with the 8 hour here, is you can see first bar, first red bar here, that was the Asian session. Then you had the European session. Then the US session was bullish. And now we've got the Asian session coming down. Okay, so do you get a red European session and then another one? So remember, patterns always repeat themselves. But for me, this is really just, it's a matter of time before we start breaking to the upside again. So we are breaking through this area of support here. So you can see we've used as support, we've broken through. The question is what's going to happen here. And you're going to see this on lower time frames now. Whoops, we can actually fine tune it up to there. So this 3 hour bar is curious to see what transpires here. If the buyers do step in off here and drive it up, that it closes above 26,400, yeah, then that is will be classified as a rejection of this area. I'm reluctant to be short on this market at the moment, but right now I'm also reluctant to be long. If we do get a lower high here on a 3 hour, sorry, a higher low, not a lower high. If we do get a higher low here, that is going to start getting me interested. However, the problem that I have is this, it is Friday, and I don't really trust Friday longs, to be honest. Okay, so come down to hour, that's what we want to be trading. You can see we're back in this area, and there's a pretty strong area of support here. Currently we're below it, granted, but there is another little area just below here, and we can actually come as far as that. Okay, so we're in another little area of support. Let me just put that in right there. So we're bouncing off another area. We've got another one below it. I want to see us hold the moving average. Okay, so I want to see us break above the moving average and hold it. It looked like we had it there, but we've dropped below again. Okay, this, we've got 1 minute to go in this hour, so this is more than likely going to close below it. So it's a wait and see. So what I want to see is I want to see a break above this area, 26,400. I want to see a decent retest of this and a move to the upside. Okay, now in saying all of that, we've had a strong move up, and at the moment we have consolidation. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking for longs on this. I'm not too happy with it. I think the S&P and the Nasdaq probably offer a bit more buying opportunities at the moment. But yeah, this is worth watching because it is lagging a little bit, which could mean a fairly big move somewhere along the line. Okay, and obviously, last thing on this is we need to get through this area here. Let me just get that a little bit better. There. So this is the area we need to break through, which is 26,629. Okay, break this flag, you'll have me long without any doubt, and I'll be looking for that measured move. Just below the measured move, as you can see, I look to the left and I can see where is the first area of resistance, and it's going to be the swing low here. That is close to the measured move. So that's the ultimate target I'll be looking for, 26,925. And there is another area here which will probably also get me interested to take profits, which would be 26,826. And then I'd want to see a pullback on structure. Okay, anyway, but we'll wait and see what transpires with the European session here. Europe is under pressure at the moment. Strong euro, weak dollar. So they are a little bit under pressure at the moment. So anything is possible, but I'll my advice is really just to wait and see what transpires. And don't rush into this just yet. You may not even get a trade today, but when it does come, it will be there. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope you help. You're still watching. Give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment. Appreciate the comments. And do try to respond to everybody. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We do this every single day. Anyway, hope it helps. And we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.